face.
Here. Here.
Tongue on top.
Oh, sorry, hun. Daddy got some rice cereal on his shorts.
She's got more in her hand.
I know. Okay, come here. Oh! 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 Good job! Okay, let's have some more. Get your hands out, honey. Is it good?
Because I don't know.
Whoa. Is it good stuff? The way your face looks. Okay, put your tongue down. There you go. She's not so sure. You like it? It tastes good, doesn't it? Is it good? Alright, here it comes.
Did she just already regular feed her?
What?
Did she just regularly feed her?
She didn't eat much. Say hi to Aunt Katie.
Look at my goobery hands. I don't think we got that concept down yet.
You what?
Keeping it in her mouth.
Well, this is how they learn. Here, take your hand out.
It's on her feet.
We'll just have her leave that time. Is that good stuff? She's like sucking it off, like off her fingers. It's good, huh?
Doesn't look good.
Good job. That was a good one. Oh, mommy, that was mommy's fault. That was a good one. Good job. She's getting better. Do you want more? You're gonna eat your hands. Oh, do those fingers taste good? Here you go.
Full.
No, she's